Hey there YouTube, welcome back to the channel, boys and girls, children of all ages. I'm going to show you a really quick and easy fix. My 12 volt auxiliary battery to my Prius has died a few times. I've had to have a roommate jump it and I'm just sick and tired of it. Died the other morning. I had to take my other Prius. And so I went on Craigslist. I was able to find a good used one for $55. And this is an actual original manufacturer, so it's a genuine Prius battery. I'm not saying it's Toyota brand, but this is the original battery. It comes with the Prius, not the same as just a standard battery you get from the hardware store that's 20-30 bucks from AutoZone or something, or 40 bucks. These ones are around 100 to 120 for the standard good one. So we're going to show you how easy this is to fix. This is not rocket science. I know nothing about cars. This is my battery. All you're going to need is a 10mm wrench. I don't have a lot of tools, so I don't have these cool sockets and stuff. You can either use one of those, you can use some pliers, or just one of these adjustable wrenches. So it doesn't matter. There's only one screw type, and it's just a couple moving parts, and then you'll get it all together. So let's get started. Just gonna get the battery out of here. So I'm gonna pull out my all-weather mat. I'm gonna unlock this. I'm gonna take that piece out. Then I'm gonna take this container right here. This compartment underneath, I'm just going to take that out. You can see that's actually the hybrid battery to the car. We do not want to mess with that. Alright, so I have pulled this out a few times to get down in here. Take this out. The previous owners of this car had a dog and went to the beach a lot, and I still haven't cleaned all that down in there. But as you can see, there's not a lot going on. I'm just going to pull this panel back, and you can see there's your battery. So if you ever need to charge your Prius or jump it, there are two ways to jump your car. You can jump from right here, there's your positive, there's your negative, or underneath the fuse box, let's say you can't get to the back of your car or whatever, there's your positive right there, and then you can just ground it to anything negative. You can just take the black cord and clamp it to anything. So there are two ways to jump your car. So we're gonna first try our 10mm, see if this works. Just get that loose right here. We're gonna take this arm off first. All it is just two bolts that hold this arm on. And this peg sticking out, that's not going to fall out, so you really don't need to worry about that part. We're just going to loosen this up. Again, if you have nice socket wrenches and stuff, that'll probably make this go a lot quicker. I don't have anything. Okay, so now we got this out. Again, we're just going to unhook these little things connected in here. Okay, that's it. Just one bolt, two bolts. That's it for that. So what we want to do next is we want to disconnect our negative first. So again, same bolt size. We're just going to go ahead and get on there. Post up. All right, good. We got our negative off. Now we can do the same thing to our positive, and we're gonna get that nut right there. To this point, just using one little tool, like this is literally all I have. That's all you need. Anyone can do this. All we need to do is loosen this up enough. There's a little rubber cord that you're gonna want to keep connected to your battery. When you put this new one in, you're just gonna hook it in. That's it, there you go. Bam, bam, bam. Let's keep those over to the side. There's one. All right, so after you get the 4 bolts off, literally this just pops off, okay? This cord is important. We don't want to rip anything out. This actually comes out right here. This rubber cord will be important for later. As you saw earlier, this battery had one that somebody had cut off. I pulled that out since that point. Once you get here, battery just pulls straight out. I'm gonna put the new one straight back in. It's really tough to screw up. There's a plus and a minus on your battery. You don't want to put the wrong terminals on the wrong sides. But that's it. It just drops right back into that slot. And fasten our bar back down. I'm going to make sure we got these out. I think went in a bit like that. It doesn't have to be NASCAR tight. This is literally not going anywhere. Now we just need to get our negative terminal. I'm gonna clip that back on there. In my case, I do have a lot of corrosion here. Before I put my positive on, I might want to get some steel wool and clean that off. Take my one tool out. I do want to get this about as tight as I can. This is one piece that I do want tight. I don't want this coming off for any reason at any time. Now we're going to plug this plastic piece in the side, this tubing, get that nice and locked. And send that, you hear that? That's my power starting back up. My dash cam right in there. Shove that through there. Same thing on this side. I'm going to try to get this as tight as we can. These terminals connecting is what keeps our car on, so we don't want that slipping out for any reason if you just are lazy and you don't do it tight enough. That's it, boys and girls. Let's throw the car back together. It goes under here, locks into place. You can hear it click. This just goes right in there. Lock it up. All weather mat back on. Some of you guys have just a regular carpet mat. No big deal. And that's it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. As you can see, I was out here like 15-20 minutes max. Super simple fix. I don't know a ton about cars and I can get it done. Do not get hosed to the mechanic. This is something you can easily do. Just go online, get yourself a battery. If you live in Southern California or Northern California, there's a chance you can find a good used battery, but probably you're gonna have to get yourself a new battery. I'll leave a link in the description to a couple of the recommended batteries that you can find on Prius chat and things like that. True to form, everyone who commented on my video from last week, I put your name in a bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and go through and pick out a name. And I'm gonna send you a pair of our state flag socks, courtesy of the State Mate. So, Damian Brooks, go ahead and contact you and see which state you'd like. We'll get you an address and we'll get those out. Same thing goes, we're gonna have another giveaway this week, 7 days from the time this is posted. Go ahead and anyone who comments and subscribes to my channel, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to win a pair of state flag socks of your choice, courtesy of my very own company, the State Mate. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the website as well as a discount code you can use for watching my video. Please leave a huge like for me. It costs you nothing. It really helps to promote my brand. If there are things you'd like me to cover, aside from just wanting to win some socks, please leave a comment and let me know if there's something that you'd like me to make a video of, working on the Prius or other things in the rideshare community or just driving around California. Let me know. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel. Just click the button right here as well as the notification bell. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys so much for being invested in watching in me. It's really helped to give me new life and kind of an extra side hobby that brings a little bit of joy into my life. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day. God bless you.